along, friends. Today we're drawing
14 different eyes.
From Animal Crossing.
Their eyes are super fun.
Yeah, and they have so many different eyes that you can choose from to create your own avatar, right? Yeah, so we thought it would be fun to learn how to draw different eyes by drawing all the ones from Animal Crossing. Well, 14 of them at least. All right, ready to begin?
Yep.
Yeah, so we're gonna list out all the different eyes on our sheet today, and then we're going to learn different facial features in our next episodes so that we can create our own avatar. Oh, and we're only drawing happy-ish looking eyes. Yeah, there are some sad ones that we thought.
I think they're just tired.
Oh, are they tired eyes?
Yeah, because Tom Nook has tired eyes.
Yeah, Tom Nook is that raccoon?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah. Okay, let's get started. All you need are markers. And we got black markers, and we picked a gray marker for the eye color, but you can pick any color that you want. You can practice on your own eye color too. Okay, so we're gonna start on the corner of our page because I'm trying to fit 14 different eyes. And I'm gonna start with an upside down U shape. And I'm gonna draw another one right next to it. And this one is the girl version, so we're gonna draw an eyelash, but the boy version doesn't have one. We're gonna draw a little smiley curve on the side of that upside down U shape that we drew on either side. And then for the iris itself, we're gonna draw an oval on the right side of that upside down U shape. Just like that. And then we'll draw a little small circle, tiny one. And then for the rest of it, we're gonna color it with our gray color. Just a little over it.
Mine's too dark.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, that's okay. You can barely see the black part, but that's okay, because some people's eyes are just really dark, right? That's the first set of eyes. Simple, right? Okay, ready for 13 more?
Yeah.
Okay, so the next one's super easy too. I'm just gonna go down like this, and I'm going to draw ovals. And Art Along Friends, as you practice drawing eyes here, you can use this in any other drawing that you make of people, right? Yeah. Ooh, are you planning out your paper? Good job. Okay, so after drawing that oval, we're gonna draw another oval on the side of it, on the right side. And make sure they're pointing to the same direction, otherwise it's gonna look like he has cross eyes or...
Ew.
Okay, and then a small dot in the middle for that one too.
The cross eye is when your eyes are facing the opposite direction. So
Yeah, both coming inside, right? Yeah.
That'd be creepy.
And then I'm gonna color in the rest with my gray color. So that's eye number 2. The next one is going to have some more eyelashes, okay? So we're gonna start with the same type of ovals first. So let's draw right below it a couple of ovals, one for the left eye and one for the right eye. And then this time, the iris in the middle is gonna be a circle, not an oval. And then small dots in the middle again. And then for this one, the eyelashes go upwards. Okay? So we're gonna draw 3. One in the middle of the oval, and one diagonally left, and one diagonally right. Good job! You're so fast! And then we're gonna color the middle of the iris, the blank part. Just like that. Okay, ready for the next one? The next one is pretty much the opposite of what we just did. But I noticed for this one, there's a slight difference, so bear with me. We're gonna start with 2 ovals for the eye, and then for the inside, it's gonna be like the second pair of eyes. We're gonna draw ovals pointing to the right side, and the iris in the middle, small dot. And then this time, the eyelashes are below the eyeball.
That's weird!
Well, that's how they have it in Animal Crossing. Well, it seems like Mia didn't pick this eye for her character. Probably.
I did not. You'll see which one I picked. I'll put a star next to it.
Okay. Stay tuned to find out which set of eyes Mia has for her character.
What yours?
Yeah, I have a character too.
Let's put a star on the one that's ours.
Okay, ready for the next one? Okay, this one, for the first time, we're gonna draw a couple of eyebrow looking things, but they're not actually eyebrows. They're a little eye fold.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna draw small little frowny curves and then circles underneath it. Okay, so a circle underneath one of them and another circle on the other side. And for this one, the iris in the middle is also circular, so let's draw it again pointing to the right side for both, and then a small dot in the middle. Yeah, and then I'm gonna color it in. Oh, yours is facing the middle? That's fine too. Okay, so that's another set of eyes in Animal Crossing. The next one is a little different, but we're gonna start with the same frowny curves, okay? And for the girl eyes, they have eyelashes that come out like this, that curve upwards. And there's another version of it for the boy characters, and it just has the frowny curves. Yeah, but I guess you can pick whatever eyes for your character that you like. Okay, and then right underneath the end of that curve, draw a small circle.
Ew, no.
Oh no, you made a cross eye! You wanna draw another one on the right below it?
No, it's okay.
It's okay? Okay. We're going for it. And then a small dot in the middle.
Creepy.
It doesn't look that creepy?
No, because there's no nose.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe this time it'll be okay. So that's 6 eyes. Woo! Okay, so the next set are a little bit weird in my opinion.
Yes.
Okay.
Me too.
Ready? I'm gonna start a new column here. Start with a small frowny curve for both of your eyes, and then a circle underneath it, and then another circle inside of it, smaller, and then a dot, but I might not be able to fit my dot. My circles are too small, but that's okay. And I'm gonna color in the white part. It's just gonna look dark.
Mine's creepy.
Yeah, that's why these are weird eyes, right? But that's not it.
What?
You have to do eyelashes underneath it. 3 eyelashes. Just like
this
the other
one's
one.
really weird.
That's another eye in Animal Crossing. Okay, so here's the next one. This one is also kind of weird. It's kind of a square, kind of not. It's very rounded, but also a little bit angular.
What? That sounds weird.
It's like a trapezoid.
Ew, that's weird.
But let's just call it a blob. So I'm gonna make a rounded, diamond shape almost, but that's kind of tilted on both sides, and it's gonna tilt towards each other. Yeah! And then draw 2 dots in the middle, one on each side, and that's it!
Yeah.
That's another set of eyes in Animal Crossing. Yeah. Okay, ready for the next one?
Yes.
This one I named Carrot Eyes.
What?
It reminds me of a carrot.
What?
Okay, so here's what it looks like. We're gonna draw a sideways oval, but a little bit narrower towards the middle. So, oval that narrows towards the middle like this, which also reminds me of a stubby carrot. And then we do 3 eyelashes on the left side, and then same thing, we'll do the same thing on the right side. In the middle, draw a circle, small dot,
Color?
color it. That's right. These eyes kind of remind me of an angry person. Okay, the next one, draw a square.
What?
Yeah, draw a square, and don't make it too angular. Make it a little bit curvy on the corners, but it's still a square. And draw another one for the other eye. Okay, so from here, we're gonna draw a circle on the top right corner and a dot in the middle. And then This one has 2 eyelashes on each eye and it's on the diagonal corner. So on the bottom corners.
Color.
Yeah!
Done.
You're fast. You're going so fast. Okay, this one is gonna be a teardrop shape or a leaf shape. So draw a slightly diagonal frowny curve and then another one on the bottom to connect it.
Mom, it's super big.
Ooh, you're making big eyes? Yeah. And then another one on the other side. Make sure it's balanced. And then from here, we're going to draw 2 small curves out from the corner. And these are eyelashes, okay? And then we'll draw 2 circles, sort of towards the top right-hand corner again, for the irises, and little dots in the middle. Okay, ready? Color the middle. And then the next one is kind of similar, but it's a little bit rounder. So I like to start in the corner and make a big plump teardrop shape. And then same thing on the other side. And then this one has 2 eyelashes that go out diagonally. And the iris in the inside of the eye is bigger. So I'm just gonna draw a big C curve in the middle on the right side. And then 1 dot in the middle for the darker part. And then color in the rest. Okay, just 2 more left. Ready? These are the cute ones. Yeah. Okay, so draw 2 oval shapes. And then for these ones, there's gonna be shines in it. Yeah, so let's draw 1 small circle on the top left corner of each of those ovals. And then another small circle on the bottom right corner. And then the eyelash for this one points to the same direction. So 1 on the top left side for the left eye, and then 1 on the top left side for the right eye too. And then we're gonna color all that in.
Not the little dots though.
Oh, you're right, not the shine parts. Yeah. Those are cute eyes. Okay, the last one is another cute eyes. Okay, this one is like an oval Pac-Man shape. Remember Pac-Man? The yellow guy that goes munching on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so... So we're going to draw an oval shape, but let's just draw one side of it, like a C. And then bring the top curve down just a little bit more. And then towards the middle of your C, we're gonna draw a sideways V. And then connect the rest of it. And then we'll draw that same shape on the other side. Good job. Okay, this one has a shine too. So let's draw a small circle on the top left corner of your oval Pac-Man shape. And then color in the rest of it, not the shine part. We're done!
Yeah.
Okay, 14 different eyes from Animal Crossing.
Which one's out?
Mine is this one. This one down here. I'm gonna make a purple star on it. Yeah,
I want a purple star too.
that's mine. Okay. Which one's yours, Mia?
It's this one.
That one. So cute. And then Dad has this one, right? Dad has the cutest eyes.
I'm gonna draw a half star.
Oh, nice. Yeah, so these are the Animal Crossing eyes that we decided to draw from Animal Crossing New Horizons is what we have. Join us next time, everybody, as we draw the noses and mouths.
Yeah!
From Animal Crossing again.
Like and subscribe to Art Along for more videos just like this.
Bye.
Bye!